Good afternoon, everyone. Beyond the layers of air and clouds in our atmosphere lays an almost infinite spaciousness waiting for us to explore. Our knowledge of space barely exceeds what we see in the sky each night, with only a very limited number of trips that were sent from here to other planets and extraterrestrial bodies. Yet it seems that we're always bound, as it is our human nature, to always want to know more and explore space. Neil deGrasse Tyson once said, "Space exploration is a force of nature upon itself that no other force of society can rival." This is why a huge deal of attention was paid towards astronomy in the 2020 vision worldwide. Plans and programs were set and will be set in the coming few years that will change our insight on the universe as we know it. And with the 2020 vision, we will be breaking a lot of new records and limits in the field soon enough. Take, for example, the NASA's rover mission, Mars 2020, that will be part of NASA's Mars exploration program. The mission is set to send a rover to Mars's ground as to explore Mars's biological potential. Now imagine with me, if the impact if any biological traces were found on Mars's atmosphere. This alone would be a huge revelation in all science fields, as it will open a lot of new gates for our understanding of biological history, not only on Earth, but in all surrounding planets. Another fine example would be SpaceX lunar exploration program that will send 2 robots to the moon in 2020 and 2021 as first step of actually enabling humans to live on the moon one day. Everyone around the world is taking huge leaps. And when I say everyone, this includes us here too. The first Arab space mission to be launched will take place here in the UAE. The Emirates Mars mission, or also called the Hope Mars mission, will send the spacecraft Hope to orbit Mars and collect as much information as possible that would be in our advantage in the worldwide goal of actually colonizing Mars one day as our second inhabitable planet. Programs are continued to be put forward by all astronomy-related firms around the world, with one of the main goals of the 2020 vision is to always find these new solutions, these new ideas for the obstacles that face us in widening our boundaries of space exploration. This is exactly why the 2020 vision includes us as a society, as our potential as individuals or even as groups will change anything that we will work on. I personally became really interested in astronomy lately while looking at people like Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, and one of the biggest innovators technologically and astronomically. People like him inspire the youth and the coming generations that the world is at the palm of their hand, that they can do anything than ever before. This made me actually choose computer science as a degree to pursue, not only because it has many job opportunities in the field, but because it allows me to express my ideas, my thoughts about space exploration in many, many ways, including programming, including simulations, including designing. But I could say most of you here isn't as interested in the subject as I am. Maybe some of you are more interested in the climate change, or more interested, for example, in the diseases that pop up every now and then. Yet this is exactly what gives us potential as humans in the future. See, we have a lot of numerous fields that requires personnels with different traits. These traits is what makes us special and unique in our prospect of society. Just like each and every planet in our solar system is different than the other, yet each has an effect on those that surround him and the making of their characteristics. Society needs us to be the same, to work on different fields, to work on different goals, yet towards the same future, a brighter and a better one for all of us. So I could say you can look forward to the future whether it was far, whether it was near. Just keep in mind that we're all in the same boat. You will have an effect on those who surround you, and others will have an effect on you. As Carl Sagan once said, we were wanderers, we are wanderers still. We have lingered on the shores, on the cosmic shores for a long time. We are ready at last to set sail for the stars. Thank you.